Sorry, in the previous video I need to stop for some reason, and just going back, and we need to finalize this revision about powers, equations, linear inequalities, and equations as well. So that's revision 2. So let's keep going. That we have solve for x and show the solution in number line. Alright, so we do the same. We expanded 3x minus 12 less or equal than x plus 6, and from where you have 2x less or equal than 18, so the result x or equal than 9. Alright, so next one, and we'll do it a bit later, show solutions in number line. So we'll just expand the brackets. Let's do it. So 7 minus 2x plus 6 more than 15 and minus 10x. Alright, so we'll just simplify that and we'll get negative. So actually transfer 10 to the left side. We'll get 8x. 7 and 6, which is 13. We'll transfer, we'll get just 2 simply, so x more than 1/4. Alright, so we have 2 solutions, and now pick them on number line. So it's here, x more than 1/4, 1/4, and this is a hollow, and it goes here. So on the left side, we have 9 and more equal, so we include that, and actually goes there. So simply this way. Alright, because it's not a system, we don't combine that. But in the case of the system, you have 1 from 1/4 not included, this left boundary, and up to 9. So because they are separate in quality, we just consider them separately. Alright, so let's go next. Translate into linear equations, but don't solve. 4 times the number is equal to the number plus 15. Don't solve, so just complete. 4 times the number is equal. Okay, so we'll do that. 4x and it's equal to number plus 15. So x plus 15. Alright, so next one, the sum 2 consecutive odd integers. Consecutive odd, so we'll get x and x plus 2. The result is 36. Thanks. 5 more than a certain number is 9 less than 3 times the number, and find the number. Alright, we can do the following. 5 smaller than a certain number, x plus 5 is 9 less than 3 times the number, 3x. So we can solve it quickly. We'll get 4x equals 4x is 1. This was 1. So for x is simply cubic root of 64, which is 4, right? 4 times 4, yes, 16 times 4 is 64. So cubic root will give you just 64, which is 4. Alright, so on the last one, just fractional, we'll get x squared equals negative 55. Oops, we have negative numbers, so what do you know? Even powers, no solutions, because of inability to take the square root out of negative 54. And the last problem about this is word problem. Clara, Dean, and Elaine were candidates in an election with 1,000 people voted. Okay, Elaine won the election, receiving 90 more votes than Dean. Alright, okay, that's about how we use 3 variables. So Clara, C, D, Dean, and E, Elaine. So what we know, in total we have 1,000 people voted. Elaine won the election, receiving 90 more votes than Dean. So Elaine is Dean plus 95. And 186 more than Clara. So Elaine compared with Clara. So Clara plus 186. So what we'll get how many votes did Dean receive. So we have Elaine, we have Elaine here, and we know in total Elaine plus, let's put it down also, Elaine plus Dean plus Elaine is 1000 in total. That's the system of 3 equations, because we have 3 variables, 3 equations. What we're gonna do, so first, how many was did Dean receive? So we need to exclude E and C. So first of all, D and C, let's use the first and the second equations and just substitute. So we'll get D plus 95. The result is C plus 186. Okay, so C, express C from here. C is simply 186 minus 95 and minus D. So from where we can put it just below in the third equations, because that's the last one left unused. Alright, so we have Elaine is simply D plus 95. That's the first one. Okay, D plus 95. Then plus D and plus, oops, the last one actually was C. That was miswriting. So because we need to add all of them in order to get 1000. 7 plus C, which C is 186 minus 186 minus 95. Let's do it quick and we'll get the result. 186 minus 95, we get 91 minus D. The result is 1000. Okay, so as you can see, we eliminate all the variables except for D. So 1D here and here will be cancelled and we'll get 2D equals 895 and 91. So we'll get 186, so 1000 minus 186, and D is simply 1000 minus 186 in over 2. 407. That's the final result. That's how many votes Dean received. Alright, so actually we completed all. The last one was a bit hard because 3 equations in a row and we need to solve them. So hope you enjoy for revision 2. Hopefully you did in the same manner. If not, just make sure you watch all the videos in order to have a proper speed and a right understanding, right approach, and right methods. So actually, I must say that linear equations, inequality, and power equations, the topic that is close. Thank you guys, and goodbye.